The average American has less than $1,000 in their bank account. In this video, we are gonna go over some financial basics to help you get ahead of the 96% of Americans who are living paycheck to paycheck. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 1. Understand opportunity cost. Have you ever been at a fork in the road and had to make a decision on which path to take? Say you have 100 and you are trying to figure out if you should spend it on a new pair of shoes or invest it in stock market. There's no right or wrong answer here, but what you need to understand is the opportunity cost of your decision. Opportunity cost is simply the potential benefits that you could have received from taking another action. For example, if you bought those new shoes and then the stock you could have bought with that $100 went up in value, the opportunity cost would be the amount of money you missed out on by not investing. Every time you make a decision, there is an opportunity cost associated with it. So it's important to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of each option before making a choice. If you want more money, you must first understand how to value it. Number 2. Start saving early. The power of compounding interest is one of the most important concepts in finance. Compounding interest is simply the concept of earning interest on your savings, which in turn increases your savings over time. Let's say you save $1,000 at age 20 with an interest rate of 7%. Number 3. Learn how to budget. A budget is simply a plan for your finances. It helps you track your income and expenses so that you can make informed decisions about how to best use your money. When you create a budget, you'll want to factor in all of your sources of income and all of your regular expenses. This includes things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Once you know where your money is going each month, you can start to make changes to reduce your expenses and save more money. Number 4. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. But it's important to remember that all investments carry some level of risk. When deciding how to invest your money, it's important to consider your own financial situation and tolerance for risk. One popular type of investment is real estate. Real estate can be a great way to generate passive income and build wealth. However, it's also a big responsibility. If you decide to invest in property, be sure to do your research and get a good deal. Another type of investment is the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it is also important to remember that the stock market is volatile and there is always the potential for loss. If you decide to invest in the stock market, be sure to do your research and invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you're investing wisely and setting yourself up for financial success. Number 5. Prepare for retirement. One of the most important aspects of financial literacy is understanding the power of compounding interest. By starting to save early and investing wisely, you can set yourself up for a comfortable retirement. According to a recent study, nearly half of Americans have saved nothing for retirement. Don't be one of them. Start planning for your future today. You won't regret it later. We hope that these tips were helpful and that they've given you some insight into the world of finance. We know that it can be tough to learn about money, but it's important to have a basic understanding of how it works. If you don't, you're not alone. Only 24% of Americans feel very confident in their ability to manage their finances. That's why we're committed to making financial education more accessible to everyone. Check out our other videos for more tips on everything from budgeting to investing to retirement planning. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe.